What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be writing a blog, and we are using WordPress, WPBakery. So I'll just take you through how I do it myself. So the first thing is to get into the back end of the WordPress website, and then I'll go to posts and add a post, and then I'll get my blog, copy it, and I'll paste it there. And that's my title, so I'll have it there as well. Then the page template, I'll show content as is, very important. Yeah, so it's most people think writing a blog is actually hard, but if you ask me, I'd say it's really not hard. Well, basically the hard part is writing the actual blog, but once you have it, like me, I prefer to first of all have my blog written different place in advance. Then once I'm ready, I just come and I paste it onto the back end. I really prefer having it that way. Then the next thing that we're going to be doing is setting a featured image. So this is Image FX. It's a tool by Google. It's what I use to generate my images most of the time. But you can use whatever. If you have one that works better for you, then that's okay. For me, I prefer this. So what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to download an image, and then I go to Photopia, because what I want to do is I want to optimize the image. So get a file, export as .webp, and then the name, you can either leave it as that or you can decide to label it. So I'll say why websites don't convert. One thing I like to make sure that the quality doesn't go above 29%, so that it's not identified as a large file. Then you simply save it. So I'll go back to my back end, and here set featured image, upload image, select file. There's our image. You have it there, looking all good. So for the alt text, you can have, well, an alt text is used to represent the image in the event that the image doesn't load. So for now, I'll just have it as the same title: why websites don't convert, and it's not a design issue. Like that. Then so the first step is to have the blog, have the blog. Make sure you're doing the blog, you have the featured image. That's the first step. And then basically where we are at right now, we are ready to post. Okay, now the next thing that is usually important is now the SEO. For me, I use a tool called Rank Math SEO. As you can see here, it is. So when you check here, our SEO rating currently is at 10 over 100. So basically what we are supposed to do is to push this number up to an over 80 over 100. That would be a good place to settle at. But today, basically what I wanted to show you guys is how to have the blog published. So next time I'll show you guys how to optimize it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.